Hey guys, welcome to Woodland Equipment at 1622 Lake Michigan Drive in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Come and check us out. We're a full range of service varieties for you, equipment of all types. Come and check us out. Today we're going to talk about a compare and contrast with Bobcat tractors. You might be thinking, what tractor is right for me? And you might be saying, you got two tractors, different size. Over here I've got a compact tractor 1021, and over here I've got a compact tractor 2040. You say, what's the difference? Well, size matters. The question is, how big do I want to go? How big do I need? Market research will tell you 30% of the people who buy a compact tractor will buy one that is too small. A couple of reasons for that. One, salesperson intimidation. They don't ask the right questions to fit you with the tractor you need. And the other thing is price. Sometimes people think $2,000 or $3,000, $4,000. Spend the money, get the right fit, don't have buyer's remorse. So we're going to talk about just a few things. What kind of a tractor do I need? You'll notice I've got a 21 horse tractor. It pales in comparison size-wise to this, but I might not need this tractor. This might do everything I need to do. So if you're a large property owner, say 5, 6, 8, 10 acres, this might be the tractor that's right for you. It's got a great lift capacity of 800 pounds. You've got 900-pound lift capacity on the back on a limited category 1. I can put a tiller on that. I can put a landscape rake on that. I can do a number of different things up top with this, like a snow blade. However, this one, I've got 1,300-pound lift capacity and 1,600 pounds on the back. What does that mean to you? It means in this one I have to stay to a smaller size, which is fine. If you're doing a food plot and you want a tiller, you just put a smaller one on there. If I've got a bigger property, it's more industrial or agricultural type of thing, then I can put a 60-inch tiller on this. That's all it means. You do it bigger and faster, but this might meet every need that you have. You don't have to be concerned with it. You come in and talk to us, we'll ask you the questions, we'll get you the right fit. Come on and see us, Woodland Equipment.